So to burn a few extra calories, I've decided to take these pair on a big nature walk, because why not? They need to burn off some energy, I need to burn off some fat. But yeah, this is the evening of the 26th. I'm going to go to the little waterfall that they love going to, and then we're going to go on the nature trail, and I'll show you some little clips from that and of these pair. Someone wish me luck, please. But yeah, peace. This is what they call the waterfall. Let me show you. I'm coming! Right, quick, get it home. You alright? That's a penguin. Check my shoes. Nice clean high tops. And this is what I've got to go. Made it. Unscathed. Boom. So we've done our nature walk. Have you had fun?
Yeah.
Who have you seen?
Horses in the waterfall. Horses and the waterfall.
And that's it. Nature walk done, boxed off. Go home, have some food. Hopefully these two will fall asleep after the tea. Thank God. And that concludes episode. No, that starts episode 7. Yeah. Peace. What up? It's Friday. Don't know what that was about. It's Friday the 27th. Just weighed myself. I was 13.3. Not the best. Still getting down. So that's the main thing. As long as it keeps going down, I'm happy. But it needs to go down quicker by Sunday. But yeah, 13.3. I can't remember what it was yesterday, but I think it works out literally just over a pound down for the day. So that's not too bad. Today I am hitting chest again, yeah, twice. And I will be hitting, I'll probably throw in some arms with that. Cardio wise, I think I'm going to have to step it up, and when I say step it up, I mean using the stepper. I'm going to jump on the stepper today. There's a preset program on there my friend had me on a couple of weeks ago. Absolutely fucking killed me. It was only for 10 minutes, but it was a bit like HIIT, so you got like a minute of rest period, and I think it was like 30 seconds or maybe a minute of a peak period. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to jump on the rower. I'm going to probably do 1600 meters on the rower, which is a mile, and then probably finish on the treadmill. But I'm going to extend my weight session to an hour, just so I can really start chipping away at that last £3. I've got a lot of physical things to do today. I've got to mow the lawn, but hopefully these extra physical activities will encourage a bit more fat loss. But yeah, food wise, I will be having turkey steaks again. See, there's a pattern here, isn't there? I know. Breakfast I'll be having 3 eggs and 4 bacon again. But yeah, turkey steaks, and that will be for the following 3 meals. It's chest day and it's Friday. 2 best things in one day. Let's go kill it. Boom. Peace. What up? So, all done on cardio. Just finishing off 20 minutes on this bad boy treadmill. With the 10-minute interval training on the stepper. Ruined it. Fucking ruined it. Just done a mile on the rower in about 8 minutes, I think it was. Just going to finish up 20 minutes on here. Weights wise, I smashed chest and arms, usual stuff, bench press. I did a lot of my heavier compound stuff today, and I do like my mobility stuff on a Monday, so my flies, cable flies, that kind of stuff. But yeah, arms did same stuff I did in the week that I've already told you about, so tricep extension, rope, V-bar, hammer curls, stand-up dumbbell curls, and did the across the chest curls. Obviously standing, a bit like it's the same as a hammer curl, but you just bring it up to there, squeeze, and back down. But yeah, that's today's training. Pretty much wrapped up. We've got about 18 minutes left on this bad boy. We need to speed up now, and then I'm done. Boom. Peace. So, day 5 is done, it's dusted, it's tough, we got through it, and that is a roundup of episode 7 now, day 5, £10 in 7 days. That's it, I hope you all have a good day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, you haven't subscribed yet. And have a brilliant day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.